New SUVs to avoid. In 2024, don't miss some hidden gems revealed. Imagine stepping into a car dealership in 2024, your eyes set on that shiny new SUV. But wait, what if I told you that the hottest SUVs of 2024 might just be the ones you should avoid? Shocking, I know, but stay with me here. With soaring prices and hidden dealer markups, some of these trendy SUVs are more about emptying your wallet than enhancing your drive. But don't worry, because today, we're not just revealing the SUVs to steer clear of, we're uncovering the hidden gems that offer luxury, performance, and value, all in one sleek package. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we're diving into the world of cheap, fun, and reliable wheels. Imagine cruising down the highway, your favorite tunes blasting, in an SUV that didn't break the bank but still turns heads. That's what we're all about here. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a savvy shopper, or just a car enthusiast looking for the next big thing, you're in the right place. Buckle up as we take a thrilling ride through the 2024 SUV market, unveiling the models to avoid and spotlighting those underrated stars that deserve a place in your garage. Let's kick the tires and light the fires on this journey to find your perfect SUV match in 2024. Genesis GV80, the luxury challenger. The Genesis GV80, a relative newcomer in the luxury SUV market, has been making waves. Its entrance into the scene was bold, taking on stalwarts like the Mercedes-Benz GLE and BMW X5. The GV80 is not just about looks, it's a statement on wheels, offering a blend of comfort, style, and technology. With an average MSRP around $59,000, it leans towards the pricier side, especially considering buyers in 2023 were shelling out nearly $69,700 on average. That's a whopping 17.9% above the suggested retail price. The real star of the show is the GV83 5T Prestige trim. Packed with features, this variant commands a premium, but it's been the volume seller. Why? Because it epitomizes what luxury SUVs are all about, not just a mode of transportation, but a symbol of success and style. MercedesBenz GLE450, hybridizing luxury. Mercedes-Benz, a name synonymous with luxury, brought an interesting twist to the SUV market with the GLE450. This model comes in two flavors, a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, and a mild hybrid. Both are priced similarly, but they offer distinct experiences. The PHEV, with 381 horsepower, is Mercedes' answer to a growing demand for eco-friendly luxury, but luxury comes at a cost. On average, people paid $12,750 over the MSRP for these models in 2023. That's 18.4% over the sticker price. It's a testament to the brand's unwavering appeal and the market's willingness to pay a premium for the three-pointed star, coupled with hybrid efficiency. Porsche Cayenne, the performance powerhouse. Now, let's talk about the Porsche Cayenne. This SUV is like fine wine. It just gets better with time. The 2024 model reminds us why the Cayenne has been a favorite since 2018. It's not just an SUV, it's a Porsche, which means exceptional performance is a given. The base engine now boasts 348 horsepower, while the e-hybrid variant cranks it up to 463 horsepower. But all this power and prestige come at a price. Buyers were paying an average of 18.7% over the sticker price. It's clear that when it comes to the Cayenne, people are willing to pay for the blend of luxury and performance that only Porsche can offer. Mercedes-Benz GLA, compact luxury redefined. The Mercedes-Benz GLA received a fresh face for 2024, combining practicality with a dash of luxury. The updates are not just skin deep, they extend to the engine, with a 2L mild hybrid system adding efficiency without sacrificing performance. This compact SUV strikes a balance between being a status symbol and a practical vehicle. The average price paid for the 2024 GLA 250 exceeded $48,000, marking an 18.8% increase over the MSRP. It shows that even in the compact segment, Mercedes-Benz knows how to make an SUV that's desirable, efficient, and importantly, carries the allure of the brand. Hey, quick pit stop in our luxury SUV journey. If you had to choose one feature to add to your dream SUV, what would it be? A coffee maker for those early morning drives. B, a built-in massage chair to relax on long commutes. Or C, a voice-activated snack dispenser for those crucial munchie moments. Drop your dream feature in the comments below and let's see which one drives up the most votes. Now, let's shift gears back into our SUV extravaganza. Lexus RX 350h, the quiet achiever. The Lexus RX 350h is not just another SUV, it's a statement of quiet luxury and efficiency. The new generation of Lexus RX continues to uphold the brand's tradition of building vehicles that are expertly crafted, supremely comfortable, and whisper quiet. While it might not be the choice for spirited driving compared to some more aggressive rivals, it does offer a compelling package of luxury and practical performance. Running to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 5.5 seconds, it balances power with poise. Plus, with a relatively low starting price, it presents itself as an attractive option for those seeking luxury without an exorbitant price tag. Porsche Macan, the evergreen performer. The Porsche Macan has been a favorite in the compact luxury SUV market for years, and it's easy to see why. With its appealing blend of performance, style, and Porsche prestige, the Macan holds its own against newer entrants. Available in various trims, each offering a unique driving experience, the Macan caters to a wide range of preferences, from the efficient turbo 4-cylinder to the powerful twin-turbo V6. Despite its longevity, the Macan continues to command a premium, with buyers often paying significantly over the MSRP, a testament to its enduring appeal and Porsche's brand strength. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, the efficient choice. The Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is a newcomer that's quickly making a name for itself. Building on the reliable foundation of the Corolla, this hybrid variant takes efficiency to the next level. With a significant improvement in fuel economy compared to the non-hybrid model, it's a practical choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing the versatility and convenience of an SUV. Its popularity is reflected in its pricing, with demand driving prices above MSRP, indicating the market's appreciation for an SUV that combines Toyota's reliability with hybrid efficiency. Mercedes-Benz GLC, the balanced contender. The Mercedes-Benz GLC holds a unique position in the luxury SUV market. As one of the more affordable options in Mercedes' lineup, it offers a balance of luxury, performance, and value. The GLC's affordability makes it an accessible entry point into the world of Mercedes SUVs. However, its popularity and demand can lead to prices exceeding the MSRP, a common trend among luxury vehicles where brand prestige and demand often dictate pricing. The assembly location might influence its market position, but the GLC remains a sought-after model for those wanting a taste of luxury. Genesis GV70, the bold newcomer. The Genesis GV70 is a breath of fresh air in the luxury crossover segment. With its striking looks, powerful engine options, and a cabin that screams luxury, the GV70 is an attractive alternative to more established players like the BMW X3 and Mercedes-Benz GLC. Despite its relatively lower base price, the real-world selling price often surpasses the MSRP, highlighting its popularity and the market's willingness to pay a premium for this combination of style, performance, and luxury. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, the off-road icon. Finally, the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is more than just an SUV, it's an icon. With its roots in off-road prowess and adventure, the Wrangler Unlimited continues to evolve while maintaining its core appeal. The popularity of this 4x4 is undeniable, with buyers often paying significantly over the MSRP. This price trend is a testament to its unique position in the market, offering an unmatched blend of rugged capability and a cult-like following. And there you have it, road warriors and luxury seekers, a grand tour of the 2024 SUV landscape, from opulent cruisers to eco-friendly roadsters. Whether you're in it for the thrill of the drive, the joy of saving the planet one hybrid at a time, or just to turn heads at the neighborhood barbecue, we've got you covered. Remember, in the fast lane of car buying, knowledge is your supercharged engine. So, rev up your savvy with Car Computer Exchange. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's the best zero-emission choice you'll make today. Keep your eyes on the road, your hands upon the wheel, and your subscription list filled with the best in car know-how. Drive safe and see you in the next video.